Hi, myself Apurva Jyoti. Now today we are going to learn about materials. Uh, what are the materials required? From where do they get these materials? Who will be bringing those raw materials for weaving the sari and all? So here you can see his son Murali brings all the raw materials, dyed silk yarn, zari and design from master weavers and sometimes from cooperative society of which he is a member. So Jagatayya's son will be going to the market for getting the raw material like silk thread, silk yarn, dyed silk yarn means colored silk yarn, zari material, the borders and all, and design already prepared design from the master weaver means master weaver will be like drawing the design for the sari, what type of sari should be designed, the design of the sari he'll prepare and give on the paper. Seeing that Jagatayya's son Murali will be will be weaving the sari. And not only this master weaver will give the plan, sometimes cooperative societies will also give the orders for making the sari with designed paper means already prepared design, one copy they'll be giving. Seeing that this sari weaver should make the sari, prepare the sari. So they are Jagatayya is one of the member of cooperative society means like we also have cooperative societies, no, like uh, based on the caste like Gauda Sangam or Padmashali Sangam, like that cooperative societies will be there, no, which will be lending us money, we can borrow money or some work from them, like that. Jagatayya gets all the raw material at a time to weave 8 sarees. So for weaving 8 sarees, he'll be getting Murali will be getting raw materials at one time. Means for 8 sarees, he'll be going and purchasing raw material once, and he'll be getting that. The whole family has to work for 12 to 15 hours a day for nearly 50 days to weave 8 sarees. So it takes 50 days to weave 8 sarees. For preparing 8 sarees, it takes 50 days for them. And how many hours they'll be working? 12 to 15 hours per day, means one day 12 or 15 hours, 12 to 15 hours they'll be working, and it takes 50 days for them to make 8 sarees. They get about rupees 1200 per sari for the work. So they'll be getting for one sari 1200 rupees. For weaving one sari 1200 rupees they'll be getting. Weaving sari is a hereditary occupation for Jagatayya's family. Hereditary occupation in the sense from their forefathers they are doing their same work, like grandfather, from grandfather, grandson, father to grandfather to father, father to son, son to grandson, like that. For generations, from many generations, they are doing the same weaving work. Who? Jagatayya's family. The income Jagatayya's family makes from weaving ikat sari is insufficient to run their family. So they are getting only 1200 rupees for one sari, and it takes 50 days to make 8 saris. For the entire family should work on that, but they are getting less income by weaving this ikat saris. And that amount, the income which they are getting after weaving the saris is not sufficient to run their family, to use the money to make all the needs of, to fulfill all their needs like rice, food, clothing, shelter. For all these things, the money amount is not sufficient.